I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account in a supported browser like Chrome or Edge. This gives Keep access to your notes. Once done, navigate to Keep. Google. Com to load the web app. Make sure your browser is up to date so the PWA option appears. If you prefer not to install, you can start using the web interface now. These steps get you to the working interface quickly, and they set up permissions and syncing so changes persist across devices. Now create a desktop experience. In Chrome, click the Install icon in the address bar or open the browser menu and choose Install Google Keep. In Edge, use Menu Apps install this site as an app. You'll be prompted to name the app and decide whether it opens in its own window. Choose windowed mode for a cleaner desktop workflow. After confirming, a Google Keep shortcut appears in your apps list and optionally on your desktop or taskbar, which speeds note access and isolates the app from cluttered browser tabs. Complete setup by pinning the newly installed Keep app to your taskbar or Start menu so you can open it instantly. You should verify syncing by creating a sample note and confirming it shows up on your phone and the web interface. If it doesn't, refresh or sign out and back in. If installation fails, clear your browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or reinstall the browser. These fixes often resolve PWA install issues and restore the expected desktop behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.